Hi, and welcome to week 4. One thing I wanted to talk to you about for week 4 resources is that we have this online tutoring here. And I was just playing around with it to make sure it worked. So if you go to Get Started, then this wasn't working for me. But if I go to Expert Help, then Live Tutoring, and then put in the topic and the course, then it was connecting me, and I had a tutor that I was chatting with, and I have 300 minutes or 299 now left. So you have plenty of time. This is just another resource. It's here 24/7. So if you need help, even in the nighttime, and you need it right away, this is a great place for you to go. Okay, well, I hope that you get a chance to check it out. Let me know how it goes.